Alright, more updates on the homemade mailbox. Got my little trigger mechanism made. It's got a light spring on it because you don't want it to be slamming the thing. And the handle's going to get curved more. It's got a rubber grip that goes on it. Everything's going to be rounded. But basically, what you do, you can zoom in on this area here. Good. Pull out. Push in. Out. In. Now, it takes a little bit to close because it's a flat edge, and I'm going to actually end up adding a little piece in here to give it a little more surface, which will allow it to close easier. So, but that's, if you take the camera, you can look at how the mechanism is, so people understand if they want to build such a thing themselves. Now, I re-altered this thing like 6 times because I just wasn't happy with it. So that's why it's got so much weld and cuts and everything. But anyway, you can see since it's got a hole going down here now, and obviously if it's winter time you get snow and ice, freezing rain. So there will be a cap that actually covers this. And I'll have some screws or something with a little silicone. So that way you can take the cap off if you need to adjust or replace the spring. But that's how that part is.